We spend so much time chasing the next modification, the next part, the next event, that sometimes we forget why we fell in love with driving in the first place. I've been wanting to make this video for a while. But nothing crazy. Just get out of the house, find somewhere quiet, and enjoy a rainy day. I don't think this is exactly what they intended these shelters for, but it'll work. I was kind of hoping for the rain to hold off, but actually, I really don't mind it. So let me tell you about this right here. So a few weeks ago, my brother and I went to Southern Ohio Forest Rally. And the first day we were there, I'd never been to a rally event in my life. And the first day we were there, we noticed that a lot of people had horns, bells, things to kind of get noises, things to make noise. And by the end of the day, my brother's like, dude, we got to get some air horns. So the evening goes by, I wake up the next morning, make a cup of coffee, and I head to Walmart because I found air horns online. I thought, well, let's go ahead and get these air horns so we'll be ready for today's events and we can participate with the crowd in making noise. So I found this little guy. I wanted something cheap. Thought, well, they said this had about 20 1-second blast that you can do with this. Thought that'd be perfect for the final day. So I got this. We're heading there. We get to the first stage and we're sitting there spectating, and someone in the crowd goes, all right, everybody, let's make some noise. So I pull this out. My brother gets excited and everybody starts cheering and crowding. And I say, all right, let's go ahead and sound the horn here. And so I do. I have in front of me, I have a guy, I believe his wife or partner, and then a kid to the right of me, all within a foot away from me. So I grab this thing and I hang my hand up in the air and I let it go. Everyone freaks out. The entire crowd goes quiet. It's so loud. The people in front of me and the guy beside me jump so hard, and I just slowly put my hand back down. I don't think I've been that embarrassed in such a long time, but it was funny. My brother was dying laughing. I was cracking up, and someone in the crowd, you hear someone in the crowd going, who the heck was that? I speak up and I say, sorry, it was me. And the horn returns to the bag. I found it again, pulling it out of our chair bag. Talk about embarrassing. That was one of the most embarrassing things that has happened to me in a long time. I think one thing I've realized lately is that I spend so much time thinking about what's next. What's the next modification, the next video, the next event? I don't always stop to appreciate what I already have. This little Honda Fit has taken me to some pretty cool places, and honestly, today reminded me that it doesn't have to be doing 100 miles per hour through a mountain road to be fun. Well, I think the weather has made the decision for me.